To pay with Apple Pay on the Walmart app, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have the latest version of the Walmart app installed. Open the Walmart app and sign into your account. Next, add the items you want to purchase to your cart and proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, select the payment method and choose Apple Pay as your payment option. You will be prompted to sign into your Apple account if you are not already signed in. Once you have selected Apple Pay, you will be asked to verify your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, depending on your device settings. After verifying your identity, you will see a list of available cards to use for payment. Select the card you want to use and confirm the payment amount. Review your order summary and shipping details to ensure everything is correct. If you have any digital coupons or gift cards, you can apply them to your order at this time. Finally, confirm your payment and wait for the confirmation screen to appear, indicating that your payment has been processed successfully. You will also receive a receipt and order confirmation via email. It is essential to note that to use Apple Pay on the Walmart app, you must have a compatible Apple device and be running the latest version of iOS. Additionally, you must have already set up Apple Pay on your device by adding a credit or debit card to the Wallet app. By following these steps, you can easily and securely pay with Apple Pay on the Walmart app, making your shopping experience more convenient and efficient. Remember to always review your order and payment details carefully before confirming your payment, to ensure accuracy and avoid any potential issues.